If you've ever looked under your dishwasher or your sofa and immediately regretted it, this is for you. This is the Qaestfy under appliance cleaning tool, and it has been a game changer on my cleaning days. It was so easy to put together, and the handle can be assembled up to 63 inches. Then you get disposable dry sweeping cloths for quick cleanup and 2 reusable microfibers. And look how slim and bendy this thing is. It's meant to easily slide under anything: fridges, stoves, washers, couches, basically anywhere that there's dust. The disposable cloths just wrap around and then tuck in on the other side, and then they can easily go underneath any piece of furniture. They're nice and textured, so they grab all the dust bunnies really well. Then I typically use the reusable microfiber mop heads, so they're for deeper dusting, and then you can just throw them in the washing machine and then you're good to go again. They, again, fit underneath anything, and then when you come out, you will be appalled at what you see. I love that the head is 15 inches, so it really covers a lot in one swipe. And then they're super simple to reuse. You just pull it off, toss it in the washing machine, and you're good to go. So I'm loving the design. It does not feel cheapy at all. It comes with dusting pads that are disposable, and then it also comes with the good microfiber ones that you can throw into the washing machine. And it literally has changed my cleaning game forever.